talk about how can you change app language on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on settings, you just click on settings. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on languages, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to app language, click here in this sign. So then here can you change your language here in this list on your Bluesky app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.